Hello guys, welcome to part 3 of the HTML series. So today we're gonna look at how you can add a logo on your header and how you can add a background image or background color for the entire file or the entire homepage. So we're gonna add a logo, so we can go inside now. Then this time we're using the class, so we're going to do dot logo. Once you do the logo, just click enter. Then inside that class you're going to add an image. So on the alternative, we're going to just say logo. Once you save it, you have a logo appearing there of an image. So in a scenario whereby the logo fails to appear for some reason due to network or the phone of the device or the computer or the machine you're using is too small, can't accommodate pictures, then the logo will appear in the image and it will show it. So we're going to create a new folder there. We're going to go on the new folder. We're going to say assets. Inside that assets, we need to input 2 new files. So you can download 2 images, or if you have, you can just use. You're going to go on the desktop. On my downloads, I've downloaded 2 photos there. So we're going to go on my desktop. From wherever you have saved your file, inside assets, we can create a new folder. You can call it okay, let's just paste it. Let's not create a new folder. Let's just paste the 2 in there. So I have 2 photos, as you can see. There's a background photo and the logo there. So I'm going to go inside that. You can come on source, you can just do assets, then you can do now a logo, a PNG logo. Then you have a logo PNG from there. Now we need to style it. So we're going to style it. Let's call it logo there. Then you can start the logo image. That's the one we get. Open the curly brackets. So we're going to do width. Let's make it 80, for example, px. Let's make my height. I'm going to make the height 50. So it depends of your logo. So we'll have this logo there. You can see there is an extension there. That's the logo for this website. We've added the logo from there. The next thing we need to do, there are 2 ways of adding the background. We can do it on the header, we can do it on the body, or we can do it on the styling. So we're going to learn both ways to change the background color and the background image. So we're going to go down there. Then we're going to do background. Let's just call it background effect. And now let's go body. So how to change the background color? Just do background color. We can make it. Let's look for a color. Let's make it plum. Once you make it plum, you see that you have a color change. So that color changes. It's okay for now, but we want to add a background image. So let's do background image. Let's write linear gradient. So inside that linear gradient, you're going to add RGB files. So we can do RGBA. We do open. Then we do, let's say 0.1, let's say 0.5, let's say 0.9. So it's a color that's black. So we can add a comma there, copy the same RGB, paste it on the other side, save. Well, the color change to black. Then after that, now we're going to the URL. We can do comma URL. Then in there, that's where we're going to paste our background image. You can do assets, comma background, and save. For now, you notice nothing. So let's try to reduce the color. You can do 00. Let's try to reduce the background color a bit. Copy it because we need it to have the same effect. On the next one, and paste it. Save. Then you see there's a background there, background color. So okay, let's try to reduce it more again because I don't need it to appear that much. Okay, let's reduce it more. So in a scenario whereby you just want the background color to just view a bit. We can close for that so that I can have more space. Let's copy that, paste there. Then we have the background color if you want. So now it's time to style it. So on the fly we can do that. Now let's start background. Background repeats, let's do none. Let's do no repeat, save. Then we do background attachments. Okay, background attachments, let's do fixed. Then let's do background. We can set the background to cover like this. We save, the background become to cover. But what I want this background to be flexible, you see. So let's make it 100% by 100%. Then we save like that. Okay, don't know what's happening. Okay, let's try to remove that. Save. Okay, let's do, if you do height, like height to do fit content, save. Let's do width, make it we can make it fit content as well, but we don't want to do that because we are on the body. We want to do let's do auto. If you do auto as well, save. You see that you have that, but we don't want that. We want to have the background. So background, we can background size, we can do cover. With cover, but cover it's not okay for me. Let's do 100% by 100%. So then we have this. If we go on inspect, then you will be able to see that you'll be able to make it respond according to how it looks. If you go on response, so whatever size it will take for that image to go, it will go. So we can also decide to do cover if you want. We can do contain. Let's see what contain does. It's just going to make it smaller like that. If you do cover, it's a different result like that. It means the entire screen is just going to be a cover. So next thing we're going to add a header, right? We're going to add an heading. So let's create a class. Let's call it content or container. Once you call it that container, inside that class we're going to add an heading. Let's add it heading 1 like that. Then that heading, let's say welcome to Stargates, right? We'll have it there, but to be black, so we need to style this. If we go under body, we'll add a comment. Let's say container there. Then we say dot home. Then come and say color for the text white. Save. We'll have it in white. Then we do text. Okay, we'll have it in white. We're going to duplicate this. Then we say H1 header. Then we say, since the color is already white, we can now say text align center. That will have it on the center. We'll have text. Let's do text transform uppercase like that, so it's uppercase. Let's do a bit of margin now. We do 10 px so that we have it move a bit down. Let's try 30. Yeah, 30. I think 30 is fine. Let's try to make the display flex. Right, once you make it flex, you see what it does. See shift size. But for now, let's do that. Then the next thing, so we'll come stack it. So in the next series of this video, which is part 4, we're going to learn how we can insert an image and some text on this file. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow my videos, recommend, comment. Sorry for the background, sorry for the audio quality because I'm just using my laptop. If you guys subscribe and follow me, recommend, share my videos to others so that you guys can learn. Then if I hit that monetization amount of people I need to have, then it's going to be a nice background. We're going to have a nice background, a nice video quality. Then we're going to do, because I want to teach to learn how to design using HTML5. That's the newest update of HTML. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, God loves you. On the flip side, if you read in the book of Mark 7:7, it says men have lost the sight of God because we have come out to accepting and to keeping the commandments of God. We decide to keep the commandments of men. So we take it as the false doctrine for men, like we are washing coats and cups. So guys, let's try to keep the commandments of God. Let's try to read the Bible every single day. That will have a place for you guys to learn all of these things. So guys, thanks for watching.
Jesus is my one and only. I have Jesus. You never touch my soul. Yeah, I have Jesus. Yeah, call him governing never. Yeah, all I need is Jesus. You can never kill my soul. I have Jesus.
John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. Psalms 23. Even though I walk through the valley shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, for I am Christ.